Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage here in Ross. This is our latest arrival. It's the one you've been looking forward to. It's the one I've definitely been looking forward to. It's a 2009 on a 59 plate Ford Focus ST-2, 3 doors, finished in electric white metallic. It's covered just 50,000 miles and has had the current owner since 2013. We'll have a good walk round. I've been really looking forward to getting this car in. I love fast Fords anyway. We don't get the opportunity to get cars like this in very often. And when this became available, we just had to have it. 3 owners in total, 2 former keepers. Like I say, the current owner has had it since 2013. It's covered just over 50,000 miles. It has a comprehensive 8-stamp service history, so right the way through its life. Also has a documented replacement of the Cambelt and the water pump in 2018. So all up square on that. Front is finished in by far the best colour, the electric white metallic. It's more like a pearly sort of colour with the striping. The wheels are absolutely spotless. Centre caps are brand new. Michelin Pilot Sport Tyres all the way around. Look at that. An iconic fast Ford. Of course, this has the 2.5 litre, 223 brake horsepower, 5-cylinder lump, Volvo inspired engine. Rumbles along. There is one small mark that I've noticed on the car, just here. It's just been touched in, very, very small. Again, the front wheel, all the wheels spot on. It's a car I could ramble on about for days, to be quite honest. I'm so very tempted to keep it for myself, but it's the wrong game for doing that sort of thing. There's one mark just down there, very low down. They're the only 2 marks on the car. Much better if I show you, and then there's no hidden surprises. We'll have a look inside. ST2, so you don't get the leather, but you do get they are still Recaro seats. Bolsters are all good. Centre armrest, 3 keys, passenger seat again, very tidy. Come round to the door card. Electric windows and electrically adjustable door mirrors. ST badging on the steering wheel. We'll come inside. Power button, ST emblem, 6-speed manual gearbox, cameras in and out a bit, air conditioning of course, heated front screen, which is Ford's party piece, clears the screen in a matter of seconds, has the Sony DAB stereo unit, and at the top you've got your dials. There's the mileage, 5661. We'll start the car up, so foot on the clutch, pedal down. There she is. Awesome sounding, drives very, very well. Have a look in the rear. Superb again. I don't think the rear's ever been sat in, to be quite honest. All good. Into the boot. Good size boot. Obviously you don't lose the practicality, it's still a Ford Focus at the end of the day, just not your bog standard run of the mill one. Has the rubber focus mats. Does have an ST loading bag as well, which does have your inflation kit and compressor and that sort of thing, in case you do get a flat tyre. And there we have it, 2009 on a 59 plate, Ford Focus ST-2, 3 doors, finished in electric white metallic, and it's covered just 50,000 miles. The car will be priced at £8,995. Yes, it's not the cheapest out there, but the history is so good, the ownership is good, it's been loved, it's a proper example. It will come with 12 months MOT, we will be servicing the car, and it does come with 3 keys that I showed you before. It will also come with our 6-month in-house warranty. Finance is of course available. It's available from £45 a week, depending on deposits. And we are working strictly on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view the car, why wouldn't you, please do get in touch. Our telephone number's 01989 769 900. You can pop us an email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, technical specifications, please do have a look on the website, which is www.bowensgarage.co.uk. I think you'll have to be quick on this one. If none of you buy it, I'll have it for myself. Thanks very much.